If you love anime, you've probably asked yourself this: should you subscribe to Crunchyroll or just stick with Netflix? In 2026, both platforms are investing heavily in anime, but which one is actually better for fans? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down Crunchyroll versus Netflix, comparing anime library, exclusives, pricing, and overall experience. By the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. Let's start with the most important thing: the anime library. Crunchyroll is built specifically for anime. It has thousands of titles, from older classics to the newest seasonal releases. If you're the type who wants access to everything, mainstream hits, niche series, and ongoing shows, this is where Crunchyroll really shines. Netflix has a smaller anime catalog, but it's not trying to compete on size alone. Instead, it focuses on quality. The platform has been steadily expanding its anime lineup with high-production shows and carefully selected titles. So if you care about quantity, Crunchyroll clearly wins. But if you prefer a more curated, premium feel, Netflix is catching up fast. Now let's talk about simulcasts and new episodes. This is where Crunchyroll completely dominates. It offers simulcasts, meaning new episodes are available just hours after they air in Japan. For hardcore fans who want to stay current and avoid spoilers, this is a huge advantage. Netflix takes a different approach. Instead of weekly releases, it often drops entire seasons at once, sometimes weeks or even months after the original release. So if staying up to date matters to you, Crunchyroll is the clear winner here. Next up, exclusives and originals. Netflix comes in strong with its original anime productions. These shows often have higher budgets, cinematic quality, and global appeal. You'll notice the animation and storytelling can feel more polished and experimental. Crunchyroll also has exclusives, but they focus more on licensing popular Japanese series rather than producing large-scale originals. So if you're into cinematic, original content, Netflix has the edge. But if you want authentic, ongoing anime straight from Japan, Crunchyroll delivers more consistently. Now let's talk about user experience. Netflix is known for its smooth interface, smart recommendations, and overall polished design. Everything feels seamless, from browsing to streaming. Crunchyroll has improved a lot over time, but it still feels more niche. It's functional, but not as refined as Netflix. So in terms of user experience, Netflix takes the lead. Finally, pricing and value. Crunchyroll is generally cheaper and gives you more anime for your money. If anime is all you care about, it's a very cost-effective option. Netflix is more expensive, but you're not just paying for anime. You're getting movies, TV shows, documentaries, and a much broader library. So the value really depends on what you're looking for. So, which one is better for anime fans? If you want the biggest anime library and the latest episodes as soon as they drop, go with Crunchyroll. If you want high-quality originals and an all-in-one streaming platform, Netflix is a great choice. But for true anime fans in 2026, Crunchyroll still has the edge. What do you think? Crunchyroll or Netflix? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more comparisons like this.